Hi go-getters, it's your girl Elvin and I'm back with another mind-blowing sustainable innovation that's about to change the fashion game forever. Today we are diving into something absolutely incredible. Leather made from mangoes. Yeah, you got me right. And you know what's crazy? I actually discovered this while visiting my friend, and her sister had actually traveled to Indonesia, and she mentioned how local innovators were turning mango waste into luxury material. And I was like, wait, what? I just had to dig deeper and share this with you all. Now, let me blow your mind with the origin of all this.
Now, this waste can be used to make wallets, handbags, and shoes. But can it compete with the massive leather industry? We visited the headquarters of Fruit Leather in the Netherlands.
So this innovation was first developed in the Netherlands by fruit waste experts who were looking at ways to reduce the amount of food waste globally. So while doing that, they found out that mango peels contain high level of pectin and cellulose that could be transformed into a leather-like material. So this discovery, go-getters, was a game changer. So talking about this, let me know if this is your first time hearing about this, and try to guess in the comment section how many mangoes you think it takes to produce a square meter of leather. I'll reveal the answer at the end of the video, all right? Now, the process is actually fascinating. So first things first, mango peels are collected and cleaned. They are then ground into a fine paste. This paste will now go through a special extraction process. Once that's done, it is then treated with natural enzymes. And finally, it is then left to dry, and after that's done, we are left with the final results, which is a super soft, durable material that looks and feels incredibly similar to animal leather. And the best part of it, go-getters, is the fact that it is 100% cruelty-free compared to animal leather. You know what I mean by cruelty-free, right? We are talking here of mango peel that is processed, not an animal that is somewhere to be used, right? You get what I mean? Now, let's talk business, because I know you are curious about the numbers, right? Currently, mango leather sells for a whopping $25 to $35 per square foot, depending on the quality of the material. And premium bags made from this material could retail anywhere from $200 to $600. Not bad for something that would have been thrown anyway, right? Now, speaking of production, let me tell you why certain African countries are perfectly suitable for this industry. Let's begin with Kenya, right? Kenya has a climate that is very suitable for mango cultivation. Secondly, Kenya has got already established mango farms. And last but not the least, Kenya has got great infrastructure. Now, let's talk Ghana. Ghana is one of Africa's largest mango producers, and it's got a year-round growing season, which is a plus, all right? Last but not the least, Ghana has got a strong agricultural technology adoption. That takes us to Senegal. Senegal has got a coastal location which is suitable for shipping, right? And also, Senegal is very experienced when it comes to fruit processing. Last but not the least, Senegal has got a strong government support for sustainable initiatives. So if you're in Senegal, this is something you should consider, all right? Now, a quick question for you. Which of these countries do you think has the potential of becoming the world's largest mango leather producer? Let me know in the comment section, all right? Now, we've talked of the revolutionary mango leather, but some of you might not really know what this is all about, all right? So let me just brief you on some of the key things you could actually produce with this mango leather. So obviously, we've got luxury bags that could produce with this leather. We've got wallets, shoes, watch straps, and car interiors. Yes, even Tesla is interested. So imagine sealing a deal with a company like Tesla to supply leather for them. And fun fact, go-getters, I actually got a leather bag for my hobby recently, and people can't believe it when I tell them that it is actually made from mango peels. All right, let me just show you what it looks like. So this is it. There are many designs. I actually attended a showroom in Douala where this lady came from Senegal, and she had a lot of these in different shapes and designs. So I got this for my hobby, and people can't believe me when I tell them that it is made from mango. And once I succeed in giving them details, the look on their face is priceless. So now here's something that will make you feel good. Every square meter of mango saves approximately 17 liters of water compared to animal leather. It saves 5.5 kilograms of carbon dioxide emission and prevents about 2 kilograms of mango waste from going to landfills. So before I reveal to you how many mangoes it takes to make a square meter of leather, quick question for you. Would you buy a mango leather product? Let me know in the comment section. This is something I would buy, all right, because the quality is so good, and to think that it is actually environmental friendly and cruelty free, as I explained to you all earlier, I would definitely buy it over and over again, okay? I am looking forward to getting a shoe for myself if I see one. Back to the amount of mangoes you will need for a square meter of leather. We are talking of 15 mangoes. Isn't that wonderful? Just 15 mangoes could give you a square meter of leather. So I think it is pretty good for business. Now, goal getters, I think I've briefed you enough on what you need to know about the mango leather production. So if this is something that catches your interest and you would love to know more, please always do well to contact us at africatodayinfo@gmail.com or get to our membership for help. So hope this video was helpful, and do well to smash the like button and share it with your loved ones. For as I always say, the more we empower Africans, the greater Africa will be. That said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.